Alright, so the cardstock is Basil cardstock. It's the cardstock add-on with HipKit. And that gray pattern is, I guess, like 12 by 9 maybe, or 12 by 10. I didn't measure it, sorry. But you know what? It's, whoa. Oh wow. Oops. It's 8. Oh wait, I had a pencil right here. So that gray pattern is 12 by 8. And the layer behind photos are 3 3/4 by 8. There. Well, it's a quiet evening. Everybody's in bed already. I was like, wow. So my friend's son went to bed and I walked in and he was asleep too. So I was like, okay. So I have those die cuts. A Project Life card is from past Project Life add-on kits with HipKit. I decided that I'm getting quite the accumulation of the Project Life cards, so I decided to stop getting the Project Life add-on and get the cardstock add-on. And since they have, I think I mentioned this in a previous video, but since they have the Tim Holtz inks in the color add-on, I went ahead and decided to treat myself to that as well. So the die cuts are pink paisley, and what I did is I was given my friend's son some of my, when I completed a hip kit, anything that was left over when I depleted the papers, if there was any embellishments left over, and I purposely bought the extras because I knew there was going to be more than enough embellishments than I had paper left over for his son. So I would give the extras to his son when he was scrapbooking with me. But lately he hasn't been scrapbooking with me. So what I did is I took everything I gave him and I organized them. Because what I did is when I bought the Project Life core kits, I kept the boxes and the inserts. So I took the inserts out of the boxes and I put all the card stickers and organized those in 2 different of those inserts. And then I took the die cuts and organized those as well. Sorry, it's like 9 o'clock. It's like my bedtime. But I want to narrate some videos quick while everybody's asleep. So anyway, so like that circle that says something in life is from past kits. So I have like that journal card behind the photos. That is a die cut from Pink Paisley in the current kit. I want to say the photo frames and that tab is probably as well. And the start here and that card underneath there. But I know that die cuts there on the Project Life card at the bottom right corner are embellishments from past kits. And so is that cork piece. That flower. Yep, that one is from a past kit. And I don't have, they're put together within in the insert, so they don't have the packaging. I cut them up all apart. Any stickers, I cut them apart so they could fit in the little dividers within that insert. There's like a big one for 4x6 cards, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4 for 3x4 cards. So I organized the bigger embellishments went in the bigger 4x6 insert and everything else went in the smaller. So unfortunately, I don't know where, like the cork piece and that fantastic and the chevron arrows, I don't know. The chevron arrows might be Maggie Holmes. So I'm just putting everything down, and when I get everything down, that pretty much completes my kit, or my layout, my kit, my layout. And so when I have more done, I will be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.